Hello everyone. We are looking at chapter vectors, phase 7, exercise 1 and question number 11. So let's look at the question. Question is R and S are non-zero constant vectors and the scalar B is chosen such that R plus BS mod is minimum, and then we have to show that this is equal to, okay. Just one concept here, that if R plus BS, where B is a scalar, R and S are two vectors, their mod, what is the value of the mod? In terms of vectors or in the world of vectors, I think this is the most important concept, that a vector mod is found by taking dot with itself. So square of this is nothing but A dot this. So whatever is inside this, we have to take mod of the same thing with that. So we have to find mod of R plus BS. This is nothing but square of this is equal to, we are taking dot with this. So R square plus B square S square plus 2. B is the scalar quantity and R dot S. Okay, this is going to be the value of the mod. Now for this mod to be minimum, these two are positive quantity. These two are positive quantity, so this has to be minimum. And R dot S is minimum. It ranges from +1 to -1. So R dot S can be equal to minus, like the cos theta can be -1. So this is nothing but 2B R S cos theta, and minimum value of cos theta is -1. And when does that happen? When the vectors are aligned like this. When R and S, they are in opposite direction. When R and S are in opposite direction. So this is the only concept that is to be understood from here. So R plus BS mod is minimum when R dot S is actually minus. If it is written like this, what is implied here? That cos theta is -1. Cos theta is -1, then R is equal to minus BS. R is equal to, yes, R is equal to minus BS, because this is the first vector, this is the second vector. If the two vectors are at 180 degree, then the cos is, the cos value of the theta is -1. And that is when we get this value as the least one. So once we apply this concept that R is equal to minus BS, once we understand this, the minima condition, uske baad it is very easy. We just put it back there. Then BS plus this, we just open it up and we get the value. So after that, the calculation is pretty easy. The only concept that we have to understand from here is when we open it up, this quantity is the only varying quantity, because these two are given to us as constants and non-zero. So this value, either it is maximum or minimum. So minima is -1 when they are. So this, we have to be very clear why it is written with the negative, because they are in opposite direction. That is all. All right. Thank you.